Hi. Welcome to our channel. In this video we will show you how to extract data from Capital One bank statements and return the output value to CSV format using PDF.co and Zapier. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample Capital One bank statements in this demo. So, let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. Next, search and select the Google Drive app. Then choose the New File in Folder as a trigger. Let's set up the Google Drive configuration. In the Drive field, select My Google Drive. In the Folder field, select the folder where the file resides. Once you are done setting up the configuration, click on the Test Trigger button to make sure that we set it up correctly. The test trigger was successful. We can now add another app. The next step is to add the PDF.co action. This is the step that will extract the data from the bank statement. Next, choose the PDF to anything converter for the action event. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. For the output format field, select the CSV comma-separated values. In the PDF URL field, select the web content link from Google Drive. For the name field, type in your desired output CSV file name. Now, let's test the action to see the result. The test was successful. Kindly copy the URL and paste it into your browser to download the CSV output. Here's the extracted data from Capital One bank statements in CSV format. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.